You are now rocking with the Cool Cats and me, the D.E.V. How old were you when you found out that cats be in their feelings? I thought they were supposed to be cool, with the cool cats and everything. But nah, man, once you get to know them, I guess they feel more comfortable or something, just letting it all hang out. I guess, because these some moody mother. What I found out is that this moodiness can be due to several reasons. Part of this is just genetics. Let's be real. They descended from wild cats who were solitary hunters. That's why they have this independent streak. You might get on their nerves just because you show them some attention when it's not on their terms. They also may not dig your environment sometimes. They don't like changes, but y'all know that. The reason that they got an attitude today could be that the litter box is not as clean to their liking, or they just don't like the temperature in your spot today. It could be other pets or people that's getting on their nerves. It could even be their opinion on the quality of food that you're serving to their majesties. Don't look at me. Y'all the ones who wanted a cat. And y'all already know that routine is everything to a cat. So any change to their daily schedule could have their attitude jacked up for the rest of the day. Now, of course, if a cat is sick and not feeling well, they're more than likely not going to be in a good mood. Now, you're not going to believe this, but even the kid, when I'm sick or not feeling well, can be a little moody from time to time. A cat's breed, age, or even past experiences, such as abuse, can influence their mood. So of course, I've got to talk about these moody jokers in here. Cats in their feelings. Let's see. Where should I begin? With 3 of them, at least one of them is in a bad mood about something at all times. I just usually ignore that one and deal with the other 2. Then it rotates, But let me deal with their biggest attitude triggers for y'all. Now, bruh, man, if y'all follow the channel, you know that we had a big health scare with him. He has a chronic condition, but we pretty much got it under control at this point. Problem is, this medication that we got him on, that me and his vet are in the process of changing up, has a mild steroid in it. So that has got his appetite out of control. He's about to eat us out of house and home. He's always trying to get me to give him more food, no matter what. And he's got an attitude half the day because I won't give him the kitchen sink. And again, if you follow the channel, now I'm a nice guy, so I forgive you this time. But make sure that you're following the channel. Y'all already know about Batman in this going outside thing. He got an attitude every time I walk past the front door and don't take him outside. Now, I try to ignore him for the most part, but I shave my head so y'all can't see all the gray he got coming in. And Robin's cool, man. He just wants to sleep and not be bothered most of the time. Now, he has his moods too, but he's generally not gonna fuss. If he's in his feelings about something, he's just gonna go off to himself and lay down somewhere. So what about you guys? What does your cat get in their feelings about? Make sure to leave it in the comments so we can all compare notes. And I hope you all are happy with your moody cats. And if not, don't send them over here, because I got enough problems.